Hello students, welcome back to St. Elizabeth School e-learning classes for class 9th Mathematics Chapter 15 Unit Probability title Being Resource Person Raj sir myself, and with the second session we see further few more example today. Very first example number 7 we see children. Last time we have seen till the example number 6. Now we move with a few new example over which, for example number 7 state like this: the percentage of the marks obtained by the students in the month unit test are given below. Timetable over the table here given 15.9. Here I represent again the table. You see clear to you stating this is the tabulation format children. Over the table partition is given unit test and the particular percentage of the individual marks. This is your tabulation question. Unit test is taken 5 on a percentage of marks is given next. Solution we begin over. Total number of the unit test is conducted 5. We have to find the percentage marks obtained of the students monthly unit test. Over monthly total number of unit test is been conducted and so on. The question was asked the student is getting more than 70 marks in a unit test. Condition was what? The probability you have to find for the student getting more than 70 marks. More than 70 in the three scenario we do find. In a second test, third test and a fifth test. A single student 5 test marks are given. You have to find the probability of student is getting more than 70 marks in how many tests. So he is getting more than 70 marks in the number of 3 tests out of total 5 tests. So probability is result P of the event test we take E is equals to upcoming result by total result. Required result was more than 70 marks. More than 70 by total result we have 5. So 3 by 5 when we do. Now question arise how to do 3 by 5. Decimal is been used to divide the format 3 and 5. 0 is inserted to put the decimal and 5 6 are 30 you know very well. This way 0.6 you come across with your solution. This was the solution with the example 7. Let's see another example. Example 8. Insurance company has selected 2000 driver randomly without any preference of one driver over another, without any preference in a particular city to find a relation between age and the accident. Suppose what is the age group? Company has been insurance company selected 2000 drivers for randomly preferring over the activity of the age and their accident. What is the data given? This is a full question given to you over the screen. You can see here the content. Age group of driver given, number of accident is given 0 1 2 3 4 or 5 on over the year. Between the age group of 18 and 29, zero accident has done, none of the accident has done in a 1 year. There are certain 440 drivers. Same way, one accident done, that is 160 driver, 110 driver, 161 driver, 35 drivers. Over the three, more than three accident anyone has done over the year, that are the between the age group of 18 and 29. So on is the first row is given. Over the second row, 30 to 50 age and above 50 age group is given. This is the one tabulation given. On the tabulation basis you have to answer the certain probability answer. Very first question is given to you children. Being the age group of 18 and 29, yes, first condition age group of 18 and 29, and second condition is having exactly 3 accident in the year. Exactly 3 accident in the year is 61. So our total result we have, total driver we have total 2000 over the year, and out of which in the particular age group of the 18 to 29 we have the exactly 3 accident done, that number of driver I have to find how many number of driver has done exactly 3 accident, that is 61 number of the driver are there in the age group of 18 to 29. So how to solve this type of probability sum, let's see another slide. Over this first condition, probability 1, you have the number of driver between age group and age 61 as we have saw over the tabulation. For finding the probability for the condition is given age group, that is only we have to write here. Total result was actual result was 61, out of total result is 2000. When you divide 61 by 2, that is 305 somehow, and which is divided by again 1000, 0.305 is supposed to come, and that is divided to by 1000, we will get 0.031. So we have round up over the same and done the content. Same way we see again second example. Over the second content, what is been asked, age group of 30 to 50, one or more accident in a year. One or more in a age group of 30 to 50, we have to see the row, one accident or more. More means we have to take all this number of the accident, 125, 60, 22, 18. When we sum up 18 and 22, that is your 40, 60, that is your 100 and 125 is 225. So for the second condition, we see probability 225 is your solution. Yes, we can see 225 is your result. 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18, that is 225. The age limit between 30 to 50 having the one or more accident, that is 225, out of actual total result is 2000 per over the drivers, and the number of driver having the age group of 30 and 50 having one or more accident, that is the number is 225. So 225 is divided by 2000. Let me calculate 2000. 2 and 225 means 2 ones are 2. So 1125.5 we will receive, and then again it is divided by 1000, again divide by 1000, which will give you the result 0.1125, and when we round up, that is 0.113. But after decimal, I said as prior, we will write a 4-digit number. In probability scenario, over this section, you need to write after decimal 4-digit number. Maximum try to write. Otherwise, 2 is also relevant. No compulsory to write 4 also. But if you go with the practice for 4-digit number, that will be if you show over the part of your solution, that will be helpful over board exam. Yeah. So next, see the third condition. Over the condition number 3, having no accident in a 1 year. No accident in a 1 year. Age limit is not given, but no accident means zero accident is included totally of all the age of the person. Either it is a age limit of 18 to 29, 30 to 50 or above 50. Then we have to do the total of all these 440, 505 or 360. When we sum up the same, we will receive 501305. 1305 means 440 plus 505 plus 360, we will receive 1305. Yes, here is given 1305. Number of driver having no accident over the during the year, 440 plus 305 plus 360, that is your 1305. A driver with a no accident condition, what is the probability we receive? 1305. Result, whatever result we receive, divide by total performance, that is number of drivers we have 2000, which results to your actual solution is 0.620 0.653. This way we can solve the tabulation pattern of the probability sum, and this was the example number 8. Now we move to the example number 9. Over illustration number 9, again tabulation is given, where the question was you're supposed to go unit 14 and exercise 14.3 example from that table is to be taken. In textbook the table is not given to you. You have to refer again back to the unit 14. You have to go and just check the, in a statistical unit 14.3 exercise third sum, you will take this question. So from there you will find the tabulation. This over the statistical data is given weight and number of students. Find the probability of the weight of the student in a class lies the interval between 46 to 50 kg. If the particular student's weight is 46 to 50 kg, 46 to 50 kg, that is the number of the student is 3. As you come across, number of student is 3. Very first condition we are following, over which total number of the students how we come across in the class are there. For the total number of students we have to either very two method are there. You do the sum of the number of the students, that is 9 plus 5 plus 14 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that will give you 38. Or in a question also there are total number of those 38 students in the question is also stated. Here it is not mentioned. So you if it is not mentioned, then you can do by the total of the number of students. Otherwise it will be mentioned in the total of number of the student in the question. If you go with the third exam, this question in the unit 14, then you will find that the number of total is 38 student in the class. So if it is not mentioned like this in the question, so we can do by the adding over this table 9 plus 5 plus 14 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that will give you 38. After doing the sum of total or number of children is 38 and having the weight age limit between 46 to 50 is 3. 3 by 3 38 will give you 0.079. 3 divided by 38 will result to 0.079. Next, giving two event in the context, one having the probability 0 and another having probability 1. Here for 0, no student has the weight occurrence over the 0 as we can see. But for the first probability getting the 1, here the solution having the 1 0 probability. So none of the student is even given the any two event context. Having the one probability means you result get total number of students are involved. One is only possible when the total 38 and 38 students are included. For considering the certain student weight 30 kg, since no students is there, less than 30 you one age weight you will go, then no student is available. And when you go with the probability for the no students, then your result will be total less than 38 kg is none of the student is available in the class. So we go with the total more than 30 age weight group. So above 38 weight group is there. So we have total 38 number of students and divide by total 38, we will result get 1. So for finding the probability of the event occurrence for no students getting is 0, less than 30 we have to see the weight, and when the we see more than 30 weight, there is the result 1, because total all the students have more than 30 weight. We have so in a class of the 38 students. So same way total result we receive 38 out of upcoming result also 38, which is divided by same number and we result 1. This was the example 9. Let's see another example. This is the last example of the textbook. Then next session onwards, children, we may move with the exercise sum. Till we go with the example 10 again. It is related to tabulation. Here content is given like this: 50 seats. See, word is given 50 seats. If you do not have the were selected randomly from the 5 bags, each of the students were kept in a standardized condition favorable germination. After 20 days, number of seeds which have germinated in each other collection were counted and recorded as follow. So there are the 5 bags. In each bag 50-50 seeds are being germinated. However, after 20 days they have been checked of the result. What is there is receiving the performance number of the seed germinated in the first bag was out of 50, 40 has grown very well. In the second 48, third bag 42, fourth bag 39 and fifth bag 41. What is the probability of the germination of the condition as given 3, Very first condition is more than 40 seats. More than 40 seats we have 48, 42 and 41. More than 40 is stated, so we will not take a 40 all. We will not take 40. For more than 38 is given in the question, 40 seats in the back, more than 40 seats. So very first condition only we see, more than 40 is we are given. Sorry children, here one rectification is given, 3 by 5 we are to supposed to write instead of 5 by 3, because we have saw in a tabulation more than 40 seats we are having in a 3 number of bag. How many bag? 3 bag. This is the error you do not see over the content. You just go with the 3 by 5, which will give you 0.6. Okay. Second condition was 49 seeds. Going over the second condition, 49 seed in the bag. What is the question giving? 49 seed in the bag. 49 ऐसा तो कोई भी बैग में नहीं है 49 seed, because the total number of seed only we have 50, but none of the condition in the 5 out of 5 bag there are the 49 seeds are being germinated. So 0 is the condition or result. So what 0 is your probability. So probability for the 49 seed in a bag is 0 out of 5 bag. Total number of bag is 5. 0 by 5 will be giving you result 0 itself. Let's see again the third condition. For the third condition, more than 35 seed in your bag. That is the in all bags, all the 5 bags, more than 35 seeds have been germinated. So you can see again back in the third probability. In the third problem, number of bag in which more than 35 seeds are germinated is 5. So 5 out of 5 will give you 1. This way we can consider the example number 10 for the tabulation based over the probability unit. So on, here the illustration gets over children. For exercise session, we will continue in the new session in the next video. Thank you.